Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit facing each other with your legs extended forward and the soles of your feet together. Sit facing your partner with knees bent. Holding your partner's hands, start to place the soles of your feet together. Sit with your legs crossed and your backs resting against each other. Standing back to back with your heels a little apart, fold forward. Standing and facing each other with fingertips touching, lengthen your arms overhead and lift the same feet off the ground with your partner as the diagonally opposite legs builds more support. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Start facing your partner with feet flat and toes touching. Standing side by side with your legs wide, hold your inner hands. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Kneeling high with your backs facing each other, align yourselves by placing one foot in between the feet of your partner. Facing each other, sit on your heels with your kneecaps. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Begin in double plow pose, pressing your back gently against your partner's back for support. Standing side by side, wrap the inside arm around your partner's back. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing in front of each other, bend your body and interlock your arms at the hands with your partner. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing away from each other at arm's distance, you both step the right feet forward, bending at the knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing back to back, interlock your arms with your partners at the elbows. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.